Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of our BitPlatform tutorial. In this episode, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to get your development environment set up for BitPlatform on Windows using Visual Studio. If you're developing on Linux or macOS, you can skip this episode and head straight to the next one.
100% ready to go.
Awesome. First thing, we need to install .NET 8 SDK. This is the foundation of all your BitPlatform development work.
What if I already have .NET 8 SDK installed?
It's always a good practice to check for updates as .NET SDK is continuously being improved and enhanced. Make sure you have the latest version to avoid any potential issues. Next up is Node.js, which is needed for compiling Sass files into CSS. This is essential for building the user interface of your BitPlatform applications. Let's follow the default setup configuration, so next and next. Absolutely easy. Now, we're ready to install the .NET workloads. These are the specific tools and packages that you'll use to develop different types of applications. You'll need the MAUI workload only if you're planning to build Android, iOS, and macOS apps. After that, we'll install the Bit boilerplate project template. This is a pre-built project structure that gives you a head start on your BitPlatform development. You can also opt for the latest pre-release of the template if you want to test out the latest features. The next step is to install Visual Studio, the IDE that we'll be using to build our applications. For those who are interested in trying out the latest features, they can install the preview version. However, the stable version is also a great option for those who prefer stability. Make sure to select the .NET Multi-Platform App UI development workload only if you want to build mobile applications.
It seems like this is taking a while.
Yes, it's a bit of a setup process, but it's worth it. Once you're set up, you won't have to do this again for future projects. Visual Studio has a lot of great features that will make your development process more efficient and productive. Next, let's install the Web Compiler and SQLite extensions. Web Compiler automatically converts Sass files to CSS after you save your changes, eliminating the need for a full project rebuild. For those seeking to utilize SQLite as their database of choice, this extension provides seamless integration within Visual Studio. Both extensions are optional and can be installed based on your specific requirements. To make sure everything is working properly, we're going to build a project using the Bit boilerplate project template. We'll run the .NET new command to create the project. In future episodes, we'll discuss the parameters that we can use when creating the project. Pro tip: to speed up the build process, you can unload the MAUI project in the Solution Explorer. Now, we need to install the Android SDK so you can build and deploy Android apps. And don't forget to enable developer mode on your Windows machine.
What if I encounter any problems?
Don't worry, we're here to help. The build output pane and error list window are crucial for tracking build progress and identifying any errors. If you encounter any issues, feel free to create a new GitHub issue and paste the build output log. We'll be happy to help you resolve the issue as soon as possible. To expedite the troubleshooting process and provide you with the most accurate support, please provide as much information as possible about your issues. That's all for now, Mary. We'll see you in the next episode where we'll start building our first BitPlatform application. Until then, happy coding!